Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today what I will be doing is a review of the Wet n Wild brushes. See how the brushes performed, what I liked, what I didn't like about it, and just so that you know what you might, just another opinion, so that it helps you make your choices a little bit, just maybe one step easier. Hope you like the video. Before I start, I'm gonna have a cup of green tea, much needed. um, so this is the first time I'm actually gonna be testing it out today. So the box is very pretty. It's got a holographic box, and you just slide off the sleeve, and what's inside, and this is what it looks like. So there we go. You can see my face through the clear plastic. So yeah, it's a really beautiful brush set. White brushes, white handles. So what does it say? It says, yeah, it's a cosmetic bag. So this is the cosmetic bag that you get. Good for travel. You can put all your brushes in there. Yeah. And then so the first brush is this brush, and it's got a white handle. The bristles are pristine white. The new brushes are awesome. They are so clean and beautiful, and it has a little bit of a pink, just a tint of pink at the top. It's a really cute collection. So this is the powder brush. Bristles are very soft, and just to lightly dust your face with powder. The next brush we have is the classical foundation brush. This brush. The third brush is this one, and this is the flat top brush, and I think you can use this to buff in your foundation. Then we have the flat top brush, which you can also use for foundation or bronzing. Right, this is the small concealer brush, but you could use this for other purposes too, like painting on your eyelid primers, or just detailing your eyeshadows. So this is a very nice brush as well. This is the small eyeshadow brush. Okay, and then to blend your colors and things like that. So this would be the large eyeshadow brush. So yeah, very soft bristles, and no synthetic smell or anything, so that's good. So I'm gonna test out the brushes, and yeah, so I'm gonna use the large eyeshadow brush to set down the primer. Okay, the brush is very soft. It's soft, and there's no issues with the application. It feels really nice. Sometimes when you really get like some brushes, they tend to poke at your eye because the bristles are just too rough. This feels really nice. Oh, this feels really nice. Okay, so that is set. This is a nice, very nice brush. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Super Shock Shadow by ColourPop in the color As You Wave. It's this one. I think I'm gonna try using the small eyeshadow brush. So ColourPop shades are usually applied with the finger, simply because I It's the texture. I think brushes that are not meant to pick up ColourPop shadows are going to have a bit of a difficult time, but there's still some color payoff coming there. Yes, it's actually not bad. So I'm gonna try, now I'm gonna do that with my finger. So I'm gonna try this brush. I'll show you guys again. This brush, the flat top brush. So I'm halfway through my foundation and I realized that the brush has, it has soaked up quite a bit of foundation, as you can see. Probably not the best brush to use for foundation, but I'm gonna follow through with it since I decided to use this brush. But the finishing on my skin is really nice. This brush is, I wouldn't use it for foundation again, simply because it has sucked up so much of the foundation, and by the time I am done blending the foundation around my face, there's quite a lot in the bristles. It's sucked up quite a lot. But at the same time, the good thing about this brush is that it has done such a good job putting the foundation on my face. The finishing of the foundation application is not streaky. It has done a really good job with the foundation on the face. So yeah, there's a good and there's a not so good about the brush, but I like it. Like, if you're using everyday foundations and if you're not using like pricey foundations, like the you know, something that's a little bit more high end, if you're using your regular foundations, you can use this brush. Powder brush. Here we go. Just take a bit of setting powder, tap off the excess. Once again, the brush is extremely soft. So this is a good brush for powder as well. Soft and perfect. So my take on this brush, perfect for powder application. Soft, smooth bristles, just enough to catch a powder, and finish your makeup with it. So yeah. So this brush collection does not come with a blush brush, but I think you can use the brush which I just used for setting your face as a blush brush. So see, you can use the same powder brush as a blush brush. I'm going to use the little small brush, the concealer brush. So like I said, usually brushes that have a certain purpose might just be the first step, or you could use it for anything else. So this concealer brush, I wouldn't use it as a concealer brush. Maybe not for under eye, but I mean if you want to conceal like blemishes and pimples or spots here and there, you know, target spots, yeah, you can use this brush. But otherwise I usually go in with a beauty blender, or I use my finger. So I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender just to make that a bit seamless. So I think the only brush that I haven't used is this foundation brush. I guess you could contour with it. Yeah, I think you can contour with it, but I'm not doubting the ability of this brush to function as well as the other brushes, simply because of the quality of the bristles and the fact that I'm quite impressed by the quality of these brushes with the things that I've done so far. So I'm happy with my purchase, really. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed my review on the Wet n Wild brush collection, which once again contains 6 brushes. I love the brushes, and I honestly feel that it is worth the amount that I spent on it. And if you are looking for a set of brushes that you want to start off with, I think this is a great collection. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, please comment down below. Hit the like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you're still around, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. For notifications on my next upload, hit the bell icon next to subscribe, and also join me on other social media platforms on Instagram and Facebook.